Alright, so I'm assuming that you're going to want to be making a menu. But I'm also going to assume that you already have a game that you're wanting to make that menu on. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to create and create a new scene. I've already made one here, and this is what it looks like. And to get this result, I just added in an image down here. I added in an image and scaled it to the correct size by going here and holding Alt and clicking there. Then I added the Text Mesh Pro button and then customized it with all the nice features down here. And now I have this. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our script that we need to make, the main menu script or whatever you want to call it. And then here we have a blank canvas, and that's where we'll start. Alright, I've basically just set up here that we are using the scene management, and then we're going to be making a button for play, options if you want to do options, and then for quit. I'm not going to be going over how to do this, it's the same as this. So we have our quit here and our load scene of 1. So if we go back to our game, and then go up to File, we're going to go to our build settings, and then we will drag in our scenes. So our menu should be our first on the list. That way it loads in that way. And then we leave there. And I missed a very vital thing. We need to add in an empty so we can organize this. I'm going to name it menu, and then I'm going to take our buttons and drag it onto that. And since we've created the script, it also needs to be thrown onto an object, so we're going to throw that into our menu. With our play button and all of our other buttons, we're going to go ahead and on our click method, we're going to take that, we're going to drag in our menu, and then put the button that's supposed to be there. You also want to make sure that when you do create this menu item, that your image or whatever you have going on in the background is above the menu, that way it is showing in the back. So after adding functions to all of these, we should just be able to play and go to the game. And there we go. It's our menu.